All right, guys, so back on the element and finally got this loose. The whole valve train, valve rocker arm assembly. And yeah, I'm gonna pull this off, expose those head bolts, crack them loose, pull off this head. And yeah, so it was this fastener back here, right there. There's an Allen. I honestly thought it went through, but it doesn't go through and mount to the actual head. I went to Facebook, asked people, and they said a bunch of suggestions. They said that Allen screw does not come out at all. It stays with the assembly, the rocker arm assembly. So pretty cool, but I delayed all yesterday because I was about to go get an impact socket and everything, but I didn't need to. So now I'm gonna pull this off and get those head bolts. All right, guys, so bolts are out. I have them all. Man, is that even gonna come off? I have them right here. All in order. So the way it's the way it came out is the way it's gonna go back in, but I'll probably end up changing those bolts because I don't know, maybe they're stretched. Pretty sure this engine has been disassembled, so yeah, I don't think you could reuse them over and over and over and over again. But so yeah, time to crack this thing off, and I'll turn the camera on when I reveal how this head gasket looks. But just remember, there was oil and coolant leaking out the head from in back right here, so that just tells you that it's bad. And I'm kind of expecting a crack, but hopefully not, but let's just see. All right, guys, so there it is right there. Yeah, it's pretty grimy. This sealant right here, I put that sealant there just to limp it around the parking, but this looks really weird. Like there's like another little piece right here. Because I had put sealant here that went in between the head, but I don't know if this was me though. Yeah, this is me right here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that was me right there. But do you see where the head gasket is kind of like raised? I'm trying to keep it exactly the way it was, but I haven't touched this at all. So now if I go like that, what is that right there? The head gasket was pinched and it was bent. Look how it's bent. It was literally bent. What, are you seeing this? It's a multi-layer steel and it's completely crushed, and you could see how this is going this way. And that washer or that rivet is completely distorted and messed up. They installed this and they messed up everything. This is a total hack job. And then also, guys, I want to mention another thing. When I was taking up this bolt, the head bolt, all these bolts lifted off nicely, and this one, it kept on threading all the way up, threading until it was up here, and then it finally released and it was threading on the head gasket. I can't believe this. And that's that no stop leak that they used right there. And the whole head gasket is completely thrashed. And that was my problem with the overheating and the oil coming out. Because the oil, this was completely covered in oil, and it was overflowing and going on the transfer case, and it was leaking everywhere. And I had put that there just to limp it around town until everything just gave loose. Look at this, guys. Let's go look at the head. The head has been resurfaced, and it's a beautiful job. So I'm probably just gonna ask the shop just to put a straight edge if it needs it. I can't believe this. But yeah, guys, so I didn't even take off the VTEC solenoid, but this is incredible right here. I can't believe this. I've never seen anything like this before. God. Okay. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna keep recording. I'm gonna keep this video nice and short. No rambling. Just pretty shocked at this right here. I'm gonna end up just cleaning all of this, the mating surface up, and packing up for today, because there's really nothing I can do until I get machining done, or just somebody's opinion at a shop, put a straight edge on that cylinder head to tell me if it's flat enough, and then I'm gonna order up a head gasket. But I'm pretty sure that's all this thing needs. So if you want to see more of this, please smash the like, comment below what you think, and subscribe. All right, guys, so little bonus clip right here. If you look at this right here, what is this? Is that supposed to be like that? I'm gonna get that out. I wanna see what the hell that is. All right, guys, so I really don't know what the hell that is. It goes all the way down. Look. All the way down there. Here's a screwdriver. Hold on. It has that stupid stop leak that they put. It goes all the way down the cylinder, the sleeve, and it stops down there. Nothing else like that throughout the whole thing. Look, here, nothing. If I take it out, will it drop a cylinder, lose a cylinder? I have no idea, but you know what? Look at this. How much buildup that is. Yeah, I don't know. I probably just need advice about this. It goes all the way down, literally all the way down the sleeve. So I'm gonna cut it off right there. I'm gonna get busy cleaning all this. I want this to be like very nice, and then I'm just gonna order a head gasket up, and yeah. I can't believe this. I can't believe this.